Welcome to our channel. TP-Link Deco X55 Wi-Fi 6 Mesh. Step-by-step installation and tips. Step 1. Open the box. There's like 3 little tower things, the decos, all white, they kind of look like little speakers. Power cables, Ethernet cable, and a tiny booklet. Step 2. Download the app. Yeah, you need the TP-Link Deco app. I tried to just go to the IP address, like old school router style. Nope. App or bust. It's on the App Store, Google Play, whatever. Step 3. Plug in the first one. So you pick one deco to be your main hub thing. Plug it into your modem with the Ethernet cable. Plug the power in. The light does its rainbow thing for a sec, then it's like yellow, then pulsing blue. The app says, wait for pulsing blue light. So yeah. Step 4. Open the app and sign in. TP-Link ID. Fine. Made 1. App walks you through it, actually kind of nice. Says, choose your deco model. You pick X55 from the list. Step 5. App finds your deco. You got to turn on Bluetooth, I guess it connects through that. It spins for a bit, finds the deco, asks for your network name plus password. I just typed something dumb first time. New mesh 123 inches, whatever. You can change later. Step 6. Wait. Seriously, it takes a minute. Mine just sat there like, optimizing network, for a while. I almost thought it froze. It didn't. Patience. Step 7. Add the other decos. The app literally says, want to add another deco? Yes. So I just plugged another one in the living room. The light turns yellow, then blue again, and the app just finds it. No cable this time, just Wi-Fi mesh magic. Repeat for the third one upstairs. Step 8. Done. Kind of. It completes the setup and shows a small map with the 3 decos and their connection strengths. I moved one unit closer since it showed a weak connection, and the improvement was immediate. Thank you for watching.